Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing my Monday haul. If you are just tuning in and you don't, where am I looking? I wasn't even looking at you or the viewfinder. Okay, if you're just tuning in, I am doing Dollar Tree hauls Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. And here we are for Monday's haul. I'm really excited for the things I'm going to share with you because a lot of these things are new and they're really cute, and a lot of other stuff is DIY related, and I'm going to talk about those things and what my plans are for them specifically. So let's dive in. I honestly don't even know where to start. You know what? Let's kick this off with some wall decals. These are new. And I really liked this one. It's just really beautiful. The color is really interesting. Or the colors, plural, not singular here. Here is the next one. This is not for her senior book. I just really liked it. It gives me Under the Tuscan Sun movie feelings just because the sunflower is a very Italian type of flower. And it's an Italian movie. And I'm Italian, in case you didn't know that. Next up are these tabble. It is a morning, I'm telling you. It is a weekend morning, and I'm in desperate need of coffee, and I need to go back to sleep. All right, table scatter, and I got it in red and pink. And the pink I'm gonna do DIYs for. The red I actually got for one specific purpose, and I may obviously use it for other things, but I'm going to talk about this in a second. Here we go. So you're probably wondering, what is the significance of this canvas artwork? This is obviously from Dollar Tree. It's wall art. I didn't get it for the design at all. I basically got it for just the structure. And my daughter is going to be graduating this year from high school, which is nuts to me. So her graduation is coming up, and I'm going to have a graduation party for her. And so I'm starting to already be in the works of figuring out what her table display is gonna be. We're gonna have a little party here at the house, and I want her table to have a theme of the college that she's going to. And so I'm gonna basically use this to cover up with some fabric, and I want to do a shape of Texas, and then I'm going to take a red heart and place it where home is, kind of thing. Maybe it'll be in a DIY video, but yeah, so that's why I got that. This is brand new. I've never seen these dryer balls. They also came in blue. I don't know if there's any other color, but it says softens fabric without chemical fabric softeners. I don't think that you really put anything in it. I just think you throw these in there, and then look, it shows you a before and after of how fluffy the towels are when you use this. I'd be curious to know how true this is, so I'm definitely going to try this. Reduces static and lint buildup, reduces drying time, and saves energy. So interesting. This will also be great for college, so if this works out, I'll probably get one of these for my daughter. Then I picked up this vinyl top liner. I don't know that I've seen it in white. Maybe they've had white all along and I just wasn't paying attention, but I think that you can do so many DIYs with this, and obviously you could use it as a shelf liner, which is what its intended purpose is. But when I saw this, I thought that it could be maybe what I put as the backdrop. You know, that, or I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby and get some cute fabric, maybe polka dots or something, houndstooth or something. I don't really know yet, but I grabbed this just in case I decided I wanted to do a white plain background. Also, for her graduation party, I got these silver wire LED lights. As you can see, it has the garden, sorry, that's gonna focus here sometime soon. There you go. It has the garden sign here, and I love that it's wireless, right, in the sense that it only has the battery pack on here, but I don't have to plug these in. I think this will be really cute and easy to display on her like graduation table, and then hide the battery pack like behind something. And I picked up some batteries, nothing new. My flameless LED candles that I got from Amazon. I think I need some new batteries for those. Here's some more. And I have another DIY coming up, so I needed some material, and this is going to be part of the video. Flowers and garden. I'm sure I have some other buckets like this. I just don't know where they are. But as you can see, they're two different sizes. This one's taller, this one's wider. And y'all, this is new, and it's the cutest freaking thing. I don't know why I got it, but hopefully I'll be able to use it. But they are flower pot huggers, and they come in 4 different... What? And as you can see, there's the hook, so you would just hook it over the flower pot, and then you have like a little charm, a little decorative figurine for your flower pots. Look at this little bear. He's got overalls on, and he's climbing a ladder as if he's going up to get into the flower pot. That's just too stinking adorable. So's the owl, by the way. As you can see, he's like climbing up there. And then look at the frog. They have a lot of garden stuff coming out, you guys. If you are into gardening, if you love all those little like trinkets and things, they're coming out with some really cute stuff, frogs especially. Here is a ladybug. Ladybug is so cute. It has little antenna thingies. And then yeah, look how adorable that is. Those were the only 4 that I saw. Don't know if they have more. Comment and let us know if they do. And the very last things, more garden stuff, but look how stunning these garden stakes are. Wow. Is that not just, that's just beautiful. It's very vibrant, very spring to me. I love this. You're gonna see this in an upcoming DIY. Stay tuned for what I'm gonna do with these. They're beautiful, metal, but they are stakes, so they would look beautiful. Honestly, they're so gorgeous in my opinion that I think these would look really nice in a flower bed or by a bush or something. I think these are great. I didn't see any other colors, by the way. So if there are, I haven't seen them. And then I picked up some florals. It's been a while. When was the last time I bought floral? And you guys know, like I buy a lot of Dollar Tree floral. So I got this regular onion grass. This is what this is called. There we go. Onion grass. And look how beautiful this set is. That is just, it's really great. Doesn't look $1. This part here though, just a little cheap. That's the one thing that Hobby Lobby definitely has. I mean, to compare Dollar Tree to Hobby Lobby in terms of floral is a stretch, but sometimes Dollar Tree nails it. But the bottom part, the leafy part, has always been cheap looking. But this part isn't too bad in my opinion. So yeah, got this. This one's called Lilac. And look at this floral. It is really stunning. When it's just, this reminds me of Peeta Mellark in the Hunger Games when he's telling her what his favorite color is, and he's like orange, but the color of sunset. I got you, boo! I got you! No, I actually got this because this is my daughter's favorite color. And I don't know if she's going to like this or not, but I figured maybe she would want something like this in her dorm. So she has been already, you know, talking and thinking about like what she wants her dorm to look like, and I know she's going to use orange. So whenever she wakes up today, I'm going to show her these and see if she's actually going to want something like this. So we'll see, but if not, I'll definitely find some use for them. And that's my haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you watch this video with me with no makeup like myself. I just like to give my face a lot of like room to breathe, and I just love the feeling of like a no makeup face. Sometimes I feel like the products I use are a little heavy for me and I have to be in the mood for it. But anyway, my daughter and I are about to go to brunch. I hope that you guys are having a great weekend. I know this is like Monday when it goes up, but it's the weekend that I'm filming for all of my like videos. And thank you guys so much again for just being here, being with me, and always giving me the love with comments and likes. And I'll see you guys in my next video.